What's up, Canosphere? It is Luna Stower here with Verdant Strategies, reporting live from IgniteIt Anaheim here in lovely Southern California. I am here with a dear friend and esteemed colleague, Dana Cisneros, with the Cannabis Corporate Law Firm. And we're here today to talk a little bit about operational confidence. What does it mean to you to have confidence in your operations?
What does it mean to have operational confidence? For the cannabis industry means knowing what you're doing and knowing what you don't know when you don't know what you're doing, and hiring the right people and getting the right team together to be able to support you in all of the ways that you need. So it means not being your own bookkeeper, for example, unless you're an accountant. It means not being your own lawyer unless you have a law degree. It means not being your own grower unless you're really good at cultivating.
Know your strengths, right?
Know your strengths, stay in your lane.
And what are some habits that encourage that operational confidence that helps you succeed in such a volatile industry?
I think that clear roles and duties within any operation are always going to be key. That's something that I've sat down with a number of boards to do because, people wear so many hats at the beginning of a startup. But once you get a little bit of sophistication under your belt, then you really do want to, siphon people into roles where they excel. You don't need 15 cooks in the kitchen on every single
And it sets them up
issue.
for success too, right? That's so
Right.
important.
Right.
And who are the people that you are seeing in your life right now? Like, who are the people that are displaying operational confidence?
I think the artistry is doing a really excellent job. I think PAX dispensary is doing a great job. And you see Embark everywhere throughout the industry. And I think that, a lot of I try to stay true to, who was around, who started this industry, and, spending my dollars with those type of businesses. My personal favorite is Team Elite Genetics. If you know me, that's my favorite grower.
Yep.
So they have the best J1. But
You smoked it last night.
Yep. And so, there's a lot of companies that are getting it right. I'm here in Orange County. I know Tropicana is probably the gold star. They have a ton of SKUs, but they pay their invoices. They pay their people. People rarely say anything negative about them. So you can kind of tell when somebody has cultivated an atmosphere where they allow people to thrive. Then that is operational confidence.
Which is then reputational confidence too. Like when you know that you are putting out a good product and a good service, that's how you know that your folks are happy. So what would you like to say to folks who have never met Rachel about what kind of magic she's been able to work in this space?
Oh, well, she's a writer. Let's just say that. Rachel is one of the very few people in this state that actually works directly with folks at the CDTFA. I'm not a tax attorney. I do assist my clients with state tax issues, but in terms of the accounting side, I don't know of any other CPA that has as much of a direct line of communication with the folks that are shaping policy as Rachel does. But also Rachel knows how to bob and weave throughout the IRS code and throughout California's tax laws. And that's, just as an attorney, that's important that we understand the law and where to draw lines. The same thing is true on the financial side. And so Rachel is absolutely spectacular about that.
Unafraid and experienced. What a lethal combination. Thank you so much for joining us. It's been fabulous to have you talking about what makes things work in this industry and how to get deals done here at IgniteIt. Thank you so much. Signing out for Verdant.
Thanks for having me.